Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU. I trust that you are well. And today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a berry iron rich, lovely tisane / tonic. Hallelujah. So today I'm going to be working with frozen blackcurrants. Now you can source these at a high quality store, preferably like a Whole Foods, or if you're living in South London, then you can go to Brixton Whole Foods. So here I'm working with 1 cup of frozen blackcurrants, and I'm working with roughly about 5 or 7, I can't recall, 5 or 7 African bird peppers. That's what you can see right there. And I sweetened it with date syrup, pure date syrup. Now, dates is also rich in iron. Okay, so you can work with that. I prefer to use that over agave any day. My favorite sweeteners would be dates or date syrup or wild honey. That's it. Agave, we use that sparingly. So all you need to do is simmer this on the stove for about 15 minutes. Essentially bring it to a boil and then give it a taste and adjust the spice if you want. So I added a few more. So here we have 5. It's 5. And you would allow it to sit further so you can extract the spice and then you can serve. Now, this beverage can be drunk at any stage of your life. First trimester of pregnancy, second, third, and even your fourth when you're in your postpartum. If you're breastfeeding, it's good for that as well. If you're dealing with heavy menstrual flow, drink this. Take care.